Hi, I'm Lisa. Thanks for choosing Mojozy. If you have questions about the business side of your practice, then check out our tutorials. We've made them short, simple, and entertaining. Our goal is to develop your mojo as private practitioners. So please subscribe, comment, and like us. Watch and enjoy.
So you're wondering why developing an expertise in mental health is so important. You already are swamped with clients, insurance hassles, endless paperwork, and other issues. You're wondering why you would add more to your plate. The answer is that becoming an expert is an investment in your practice business, with the intention of that investment yielding more income and other future returns. Let's see how it all works. First, experts can charge more for their services. The idea behind this is based on a long-standing marketing principle called perceived value pricing. Those are just fancy words for saying that people pay for products and services based on perceived worth. The key word here is perceived. Let's demonstrate. Both homes are identical inside and outside, and both were recently sold. However, the one on the right sold for $100,000 more than the one on the left. Why? As it turns out, the home on the right was previously owned by Lady Gaga. In the eyes of the buyer, because Lady Gaga lived in this house, it provided additional perceived value. As such, the buyer was willing to pay more even though both houses are identical. In the context of your practice, charging higher rates probably will only apply to full-fee clients. Second, your expert status will open many opportunities for other streams of income. You will have a better chance at paid opportunities from non-therapy client audiences. For example, consulting with and coaching other professionals who need to become more proficient in your area of expertise can be lucrative. Paid public speaking, teaching, and webinars are also viable options. These and other opportunities can be part of your existing practice, or can be positioned outside of your practice. It's up to you how you do your accounting, or what makes you comfortable regarding any conflict of interest. Next, your expert status will attract more people to you. The more people who are attracted to you, whether clients or other business prospects, the more likely your income will increase. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it is based on a well-researched marketing practice called authority marketing. You have seen this play out all the time, but perhaps you were unaware of it. For example, two physicians who are viral specialists are offering a medical cure for a virus: Dr. Joe Smith and Dr. Anthony Fauci. Whose product do you prefer? Other than responding with "it depends," you probably will lean toward Dr. Fauci. This is because Dr. Fauci has established his expert status in this area. Dr. Smith can spend all the money in the world on marketing, but Dr. Fauci's authority marketing is more valuable. Fourth, you will save more money on advertising. If your expert status is attracting more business through word of mouth or other social channels, then there will be less need for you to market your practice through traditional paid vehicles. And of course, the lower your expenses, the higher your net income or profit. Last, you will be able to build and shape your brand much faster. A brand is simply your reputation and what someone experiences, feels, or remembers when they think of you or your practice. Your practice may be the brand that you want as a focus, or you may position yourself as the brand. For example, Dr. Fauci has become his own brand, and you rarely think of the National Institute of Health when you think of him, even though he works there. Developing a brand takes time, but once you are a recognizable brand in your jurisdiction and beyond, the benefits are endless. Before we leave, it is important to mention that you do not need to become the next Dr. Fauci, or to be known nationwide or worldwide. In other words, the reach of your expertise is a relative matter. Dr. Fauci is an expert within the US and perhaps the world. Your reach of expertise may be your state, city, county, community, or even workplace. Obviously, the larger the reach, the richer the rewards. But starting with smaller reach and level of prominence is your first step, and still will yield returns on your investment. Visit us at www.mojozy.org for more information. And please don't forget to provide a thumbs up, subscribe, follow, and share if you like this lesson.